Hey my friends, how are you today? So the next stage is to build a brick wall. So I've pretty much sort of tried to copy the bottom part of this here. So I'm going to pave this in, so I've drawn out its position and then we can just pave it in. So that'll go there and this will go, somewhere like here. Like so, you see? And once that's all bricked up and stuff, I reckon it should look all right. My bricks are a little bit bigger, but should be okay. We'll see what it looks like. If not, I'll just have to build another one. And I'll pave the other side, and then we'll start to pave it in. And on the rear side back here, I'll put in floorboards or something like that. It'll all be covered with debris and shit, but if you're going to do something, do it right. So that's what's going on right now. So getting the brick wall built. The path's ready, so that just needs to be filled, just letting it dry a bit more. And then we'll start building the final part for this part here. So I've got an idea and I'll put that into action very soon. So once that wall's built and installed, this is installed and it's paved in, then we're very close to getting it, finished, the building part finished, and we can start painting it. So exciting times. All right, I'll speak to you again soon, but I'll just show you how I built it. So I've stuck 3 pieces of plastic together, and and just gonna pave it in a way, just like normal. So I put those rails on, 2 layers of that. Just takes a bit of time, that's all. So see how we go. It's the first time I've built a brick wall, so we'll see what happens. If the bricks are way too big, I'll just start again and build smaller bricks. So let's see what happens. All right, I'll speak again soon.